7,777 divided by 7. Here 7 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 7. 7 times 0, 0, 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 2, 14. To find out the multiplication table of 7, easily just add 7 with the previous step. 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28. 7 goes into 7, how many times? 1 times. 1 times 7, 7. Subtract 0. Bring down this 7. 0, 7 means 7. 7 goes into 7 how many times? 1 time. 1 times 7, 7. Subtract 0. Bring down this 7. 0, 7 means 7. 7 goes into 7 again 1 time. 1 times 7, 7. Subtract 0. Bring down this 7. So 7 goes into 0, 7 means 7 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 7, 7. If we subtract, then our remainder is 0. Since our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 1111.